Choosing the right dance flooring is just like choosing the right dance shoes. There's a specific type for every style. You have ballroom, ballet, tap, or jazz, and the right dance floor goes a long way for bringing these dance forms to life. Whether you're looking to complete your dance studio, create your home practice space, or provide a dance floor for an event, we have just what you need. At Flooring Inc., we have a dance floor for every style and every occasion. So where do you start? Let's take a look at all the types of dance flooring we offer, what they're best used for, and, finally, show you how to get started. Dance flooring rolls are typically used in commercial spaces or dance studios. Rolls offer great slip resistance, are easy to install, and easy to clean and maintain. Our most popular Marley dance flooring option is the reversible black and gray dance floor rolls. These rolls are lightweight and flexible, making them extremely portable and easy to roll and unroll as needed. Our dance floor rolls, as well as our Pro Step dance floor rolls, are popular options for studios, tours, and home use. Both of these floors are excellent for traditional styles, such as ballet, jazz, contemporary, and hip-hop, offering a medium-fast speed and the perfect amount of slide and grip. Another popular Marley floor option is our Adagio rolls. These make a great dance floor for any studio because they offer versatility, working well for ballet, tap, jazz, contemporary, and more. It's also specifically designed not to absorb sound, meaning your tap steps won't be muffled. If you really want to impress with your dance studio floor, you'll want to go with woodlook flooring. Woodlook is an attractive and popular option that is available in both rolls and tiles. This style takes your dance floor from average small-town studio to a fancy New York City theater. Our wood dance rolls are thick, durable, and convincing as a woodlook floor. Dance floor tiles are the most popular for social dancing and at-home practice spaces. Tiles are lightweight, portable, and come together in a snap so you can move them around as you need. This makes them great if you need a temporary dance floor that you can easily pack up and store when you're finished. You can also get our dance floor tiles in portable kits, so you can practice on the move. Portable dance floor kits are a package deal, giving you everything you need in one easy purchase. Our practice dance floor kits are available in most dance floor sizes, while the 3x3 practice dance floor kit is better for a smaller, compact practice space. When looking for your dance floor product, you can browse our site by dance style, rolls, or tiles, or installation types. You can also find dance flooring cleaner to help keep those floors sparkling through the wear and tear. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on our website via live chat or give us a call. We'd be happy to help.